if you started Pabrai funds over 1,000 times, do you think your current track record would be better or worse than what it is now if we subtract good and bad luck? And please feel free to challenge that premise and say that it's already been evened out, good and bad luck for now.
Well, so first of all, I should just preface and say that I started investing in the 94, 95 timeframe. From then till about 2018, look at any period, looking back till 2018, 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, life, whatever, I beat the S&P in all the different funds I managed. We are behind the S&P from 2018 till now in most of the funds, but we've also turned a corner. I think from 2020 onwards, we are again beating the S&P. So we have to go a little bit longer period, few more years, and then I think we'll again be back to beating it over all periods. It's a difficult question to answer. I mean, when you run simulations, because also what has happened over the years is that I've learned a few things along the way, right? And I've changed some approaches along the way. And so I really don't know what the answer would be. I would think that in most of those scenarios, we should do well. We should end up with a decent record. But it's hard to say, I think until we actually, because, at the end of the day, it's the individual names and it's a sliver of those names that lead to the outcomes.
You said you saw the .com bubble, but that was also because you had made some investments, some private investments. So you sort of like saw what was coming. And I'm like, is that bad luck or is that good luck that you actually knew that going into it? Can we even put that into a simulation? Can we even do the same time period? Like, how do you think about luck whenever it comes to your own track record?
Well, it was a huge advantage for Pabrai funds that I had a front row seat on. I basically could see what was going to happen maybe 3 months ahead of what others could see. Not a lot, but 3-4 months. And so I completely sidestepped the bubble and did really well. And so part of that, I think, is luck, just, the experience I had or what I observed. We did not have the same situation in the financial crisis. So when we had the financial crisis, at that time, I really couldn't see it. I didn't see it ahead of time, and we paid the price. We had some investments go to zero, and we had a lot of things get marked down. So it's not perfect. Can't always have a crystal ball seeing what we're doing. And like Charlie says, we're old too soon and wise too late. I wish I had some of the insights I have now 20 or 30 years ago. That would give me a huge advantage. But it is what it is. So we just, take it as it goes. I don't spend any time thinking about it the way you're suggesting. I think my focus is, okay, we have a certain reality of positions we own, assets we manage, opportunities available, and then we do the best we can with all of that.